Hi guys, Steve here. This is Unbox Fresh, and in this video we are unboxing the Dyson Digital Slim DC44. This is the 2012, early 2013 model. This has been superseded by the DC59, which has a more powerful motor in it. This one has a slightly less powerful motor, but it's it's still packs quite a punch. So we're going to unbox it and have a look. So let's go. So it's weighs a fair bit, a couple of kilograms. Here we have the box. It's got 20 minutes charge time. Cordless vacuum that doesn't lose suction. DC44 animal balance for floor to ceilings. This does shorten down, so you can actually use it like a Black & Decker dust buster here, which I've got here, which I've also got. This sort of clicks open like that, and then you can like that. It's pretty handy. This is the Black & Decker dust buster pivot. It's 18 volt. It's quite a powerful machine. I do recommend that actually. So let's break the seal. Here we go. We've got the story of Dyson in here. So in here you've got a little history book. I guess that's like their Apple stickers. Serial number there, guarantee for 2-year guarantee. Got tools here. Got the front nozzle there. So that goes on the top. Got a brush here. So you got a brush on that bit, the red bit, and then thicker brush bristles there. So 2 attachments. So here we've got the power supply, UK plug. Just see how long that is. So you've got about 1.5 meters there with this power plug here. Little nozzle that plugs into the vacuum. This is the charging cradle right here. It's got a cool little LED light display there. Manual there. So you charge it up on the wall, that one. Now have the main module here. You have the main unit here, main motor. So kind of got like a trigger here, like a gun, big staple gun, I guess. Looks quite cool. Makes a noise. Sounds a bit like a dentist drill. Filter, got your where you put your attachments there, so that goes on there, and that sucks, so we can actually suck it up straight away. Sucked up a couple of things already inside there, fairly big bits of stuff. Makes quite a satisfying sound as well. It's quite lightweight. It's actually about a quarter lighter than the Black & Decker there. So that's that. And then you get the main nozzle here. And, various bits of cardboard. Here we go. Here's the check. Nothing else in it. So we've got this. We've got this as well. got a cool little ball joint on there. I've got this here. We've got a weird little thing there. Quite sure what it is. So there we go. Just chuck that in there. So that's the unboxing video, and now I'm going to demonstrate it. Hi guys, Steve here. This is Unbox Fresh, and in this video we are unboxing the Dyson Digital Slim DC44. This is the 2012, early 2013 model. This has been superseded by the DC59, which has a more powerful motor in it. This one has a slightly less powerful motor, but it's it's still packs quite a punch. So we're going to unbox it and